Welcome, viewers, to another insightful episode of ProsperFin TV, your ultimate destination for financial wisdom and empowerment. You know, life is an unpredictable journey, full of exciting chapters and unexpected detours. Today, we're about to embark on one such crucial journey, a journey that may seem daunting but is essential for every responsible adult, creating a will and estate plan. Now, I know what you're thinking. A will? Really? Isn't that a little dull? Well, let me assure you, it's far from dull. In fact, it's like a thrilling mystery novel with twists and turns that'll keep you engaged. You see, it's not just about who gets what, it's about safeguarding your legacy, taking care of your loved ones, and ensuring your wishes are honored. So, are you ready for this adventure? Great! Buckle up, because we're about to dive headfirst into the fascinating world of wills and estates. Picture this. You've worked hard your entire life, accumulating assets, building a legacy. But what happens to all of it when you're no longer around? That's where a will and estate plan come into play. It's your roadmap, your blueprint that directs where and to whom your assets will go. It's not just about divvying up your belongings, though. It's about ensuring that your loved ones are taken care of and your wishes are honored. But it's more than that. It's the culmination of your life's work, a testament to your achievements, your values, and your dreams. It's about leaving behind a legacy that reflects who you are and what you stand for. It's about making your mark on the world, one that lasts even when you're no longer here to witness it. A will is not just a legal document, it's a declaration of your intentions, a way to ensure that your values and your vision live on. It's a chance to make a lasting impact on the people and causes that matter most to you. But let's not forget the practical side. Without a will, your assets could be distributed according to the laws of your state, which may not align with your wishes. A will gives you control over the distribution of your assets, ensuring that they go exactly where you want them to. And here's the thing. Creating a will isn't just a one-and-done deal. Life is full of unexpected twists and turns, and your will should reflect those changes. Got married, had a child, bought a house? Each of these milestones should prompt a review and potential update of your will. It's like a living document that evolves with you, keeping pace with the rhythm of your life. So, why is a will important? Because it gives you peace of mind, control, and the ability to leave a lasting legacy. It's not just a piece of paper, it's a reflection of your life, your values, and your dreams. Creating a will isn't just a one-and-done deal. Life is full of unexpected twists and turns, and your will should reflect those changes. Have you ever heard of probate? It's like the plot twist no one saw coming. Probate, in essence, is the legal process that takes place after a person's death to ensure that their assets are distributed according to their will. If there's no will, then the estate is divided based on the laws of the state. Sounds straightforward, right? But here's the catch. Probate can be a long, drawn-out, and often expensive process. Imagine the scene. Your loved ones, already dealing with their loss, now have to grapple with the intricacies of probate court. They may have to wait for months, sometimes even years, before they can access the assets you've left them. Meanwhile, your hard-earned wealth could be subject to hefty legal fees, diminishing the legacy you intended to leave behind. Why does this happen? Well, the probate process can be complex. It involves proving in court that a deceased person's will is valid, identifying and inventorying the deceased person's property, having the property appraised, paying debts and taxes, and finally, distributing the remaining property as the will, or state law, if there's no will, directs. Each step can involve significant paperwork and court appearances by lawyers. The lawyers and court fees are paid from estate property, which would otherwise go to the people who inherit the deceased person's property. And what if there's a dispute over the will? Well, that just adds another layer of complexity, potentially prolonging probate even further. It's a sobering reality, isn't it? The good news is, there are ways to avoid this plot twist, to ensure that your assets bypass probate and go directly to your loved ones. But we'll save that for the next scene. Without a proper estate plan, your assets could get tied up in probate court for months, even years. So let's make sure that doesn't happen. Stay tuned as we explore how to bypass probate in the next segment. Fear not, dear viewers, for there is a solution. As we venture further into this labyrinth of legalese, we discover a beacon of hope, bypassing probate. Yes, you heard right. There's a way to ensure that your assets transition smoothly to your beneficiaries without the red tape and delays of probate court. You see, a comprehensive estate plan is more than just a will. It's a carefully crafted strategy that takes into account your unique circumstances, assets, and wishes. And it's your ticket out of probate, but how does it work? Well, let's delve into the toolbox of estate planning. First up, we have trusts. Imagine a trust as a magical box. You place your assets in this box, and voila, they're no longer part of your probate estate. Instead, they're managed by a person you trust, aptly named the trustee. For the benefit of your chosen beneficiaries, trusts can be tailored to your specific needs, whether that's reducing estate taxes, providing for a special needs loved one, or ensuring your minor children are taken care of. Next, we have powers of attorney. These are legal documents that allow you to appoint someone to make decisions on your behalf if you can't. We have two types, financial and medical. A financial power of attorney covers decisions about your property and finances, while a medical one covers healthcare decisions. That way, even if you're incapacitated, your affairs stay out of the hands of the court. Lastly, we have beneficiary designations. These are often overlooked but can be incredibly powerful. By simply naming beneficiaries on your retirement accounts, insurance policies, and other assets, you can ensure these assets pass directly to your loved ones, bypassing probate altogether. So, there you have it. With a well-crafted estate plan, you don't have to fear probate. Instead, you can ensure a smooth transition of your assets, protect your loved ones, and secure your legacy. By crafting a comprehensive estate plan, you can bypass probate altogether, ensuring a smooth transition of your assets to your beneficiaries. But here's the kicker. Creating a will and estate plan isn't just about money and possessions, it's about peace of mind. Imagine the tranquility you'd feel knowing that your life's work, your legacy, is secure and will be handled exactly as you wish. Having a comprehensive will and estate plan is like having a well-drawn map to guide your loved ones in a time of uncertainty. It's about the comfort of knowing that you're not leaving them to wander in the wilderness of legal complexities, but providing a clear, well-marked path that respects your wishes and protects their interests. It's about the assurance that your loved ones will be taken care of, even when you're not physically present to do so. Think of it as a love letter to those you leave behind, a final act of care and consideration. It's a tool that allows you to reach out from beyond, offering guidance, comfort, and support. It's your voice resonating, your love enduring, your legacy living on, but the peace of mind doesn't stop there. A well-crafted estate plan also offers relief. The relief of knowing that you've done your best to prevent potential disputes among your loved ones. The relief of knowing that your assets won't be depleted by probate costs or tied up in court for years. The relief that comes from taking control of the future, even when faced with the inevitability of the end. In essence, it's about laying the groundwork for a smooth transition, for minimal disruption during an emotionally challenging time. It's about knowing that you've done everything in your power to shield your loved ones from additional stress and strife. So, it's not just about the money and possessions, it's about orchestrating your final act in the grand opera of life with grace, consideration, and forethought. It's about the peace of mind that comes with knowing you've done well and done right by those you care about most. Knowing that you've taken the necessary steps to protect your loved ones and preserve your legacy can bring a profound sense of relief in an uncertain world. And there you have it, folks. The ins and outs of creating a will and estate plan, complete with enough twists and turns to rival a best-selling novel. We've delved into the importance of having a will, the potential pitfalls of probate, and ways to bypass probate for a smooth transition of your assets. Above all, we've seen that creating a comprehensive estate plan is not just about preserving your wealth and legacy. It's about ensuring peace of mind for yourself and your loved ones in an uncertain world. If this journey has sparked your interest and you found value in our discussion, we encourage you to engage with us. Like this video, drop a comment with your thoughts and share it with friends and family who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to ProsperFin TV for more insightful financial wisdom. Until next time, stay empowered and prosperous.